Today we're going to explore hotkeys. First thing I'm going to do is turn them on by going to the File Options menu, and under the Options tab here you'll see a button that says Enable Ribbon Access Keys. We're going to just check that off. Now once that's checked, all we have to do is hit the Alter key and we'll get the menu up top with all the different functions available. In this case here, I'm going to do an Alt-W for wireframe functions. If I wanted to go to make a rectangle, for example, I can hit Alt-W-R-R, or just hit Alt-W-R and I'll get this menu. If I hit the next R, I'll be in the rectangle function. And now we're going to make a rectangle. I'm going to make it 6 inches by 4 inches. Now let's explore the power of hotkeys. I can quickly move through and make a rectangle here, starting from this point using my hotkey, Art. And I'm going to give it a dimension of 3 by 3. And once I confirm that, I'm going to go and hit Alt-W-R-R once again. Grab another rectangle down here. We'll make that 2 by 2. Into our divide function by Alt-D, I'm going to quickly get rid of all the geometry in here. I'm going to say Alt-W, and I'm going to go to our fillet command, and I'm going to hit C for chain. Grab this chain here, put my fillets in. As you can see, you can quickly get to where you need to with hotkeys. You also have shortcut keys, which you shouldn't confuse with hotkeys. If you go to the Windows Startup menu and go under your Mastercam folder, there's a PDF of the quick reference card. This card has a lot of good information on it. I suggest you print it out and put it by your PC. There's a lot of functions here. It's not easy to memorize them all, but you don't need to. Just use what you need at the time. And after using them for a while, you will get them memorized. One command that I do recommend you memorize is Control-S. This saves the file in its current state. Get in the habit of saving your file often. Pan with the arrow keys, there's another one I use a lot. Divide is Shift-D, and F4 for Analyze Entity. Those are a few that I use quite frequently. I would definitely memorize anything that you use a lot.